Exercise 6.2 fourth main. Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. So first we know that volume of a rectangular is equal to length into breadth into height. Yes. So what we have to consider here in the first question, they are given 5a, 3a square, 7a raised to 4. So first we'll consider let length is equal to 5a, breadth is equal to 3a square and height is equal to 7 into a raised to 4. So these values we have to substitute in this formula. Is equal to 5a into 3a square into 7 into a raised to 4. Next what we'll do, we'll write all this numerical coefficient one side and literal coefficient one side, means is equal to 5 into 3 into 7 into a raised to 2 into a raised to 4. Next we'll multiply this numerical to numerical. 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105. Next we know that if base are equal and multiplication means we have to add the power, means is equal to, here no power means always there will be 1. A into 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 105 into a raised to 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So the answer is 105 a raised to 7. Second one, we have to consider let length is equal to 2p, breadth is equal to 4q and height is equal to 8r. So the volume of rectangular box is volume is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to, substitute these values, 2p into 4q into 8r. Next we'll write all numerical coefficient one side, means 2 into 4 into 8 into p into q into r. Now multiply. 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. Now p into q, pq, pq into r, pq r. Third one, xy comma 2x square y comma 2xy square. Similarly, first we have to consider let length is equal to xy, breadth is equal to 2x square y and height is equal to 2x y square. So volume of rectangular box is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. So next step, we have to write all numerical coefficient one side and literal coefficient one side. Here no numerical coefficient means always we have to consider it as 1. So 1 into 2 into 2. Next xy into x square y into x y square. Now multiply. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Yes. Now here see x into x square into x, means here no power means always we have to consider it as 1. When base are equal, multiplication means we have to add the power. It is like this, x raised to 1 plus 2 plus 1, here no power means 1 it is. Next y is equal to, no power means 1, 1 plus 2. Therefore the answer is 4x raised to, add this power, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, y raised to 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So this is the answer. One problem, let L is equal to A, B is equal to 2B and height is equal to 3C. So volume of rectangular box is length into breadth into height is equal to, length is what here? A, and breadth is 2b and height is 3c. Here no numerical coefficient, means always we have to consider it as 1, means 1 into 2 into 3. Next what it comes? Literal coefficients, means A into B into C. Now multiply. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, A into B, AB, AB into C, A, B, C. So this is the answer. Exercise 6.2, fifth main. Find the product of first one xy, comma yz, comma zx. So here we have to multiply xy into yz into zx. Now multiply x into x, it is x square, y into y, y square, and z into z, z square. Second one, a comma minus a raised to 2 comma a raised to 3 means is equal to a into minus a square into a raised to 3. Now we have to multiply. Now here no sign, means always there will be a plus sign. So plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, it is always minus. So answer is minus. Now we have to multiply a into a square. If the base are equal and multiplication sign, means we have to add the power. Here no power, means always we have to consider it as 1. So 1 plus 2, it is 3. 3 plus 3, it is 6. Therefore answer is a raised to 3. Third one, 2 comma 4y comma 8y square comma 16y cube. So here we'll write is equal to 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. Now what we'll do? We'll multiply this constant to constant. 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. 64 into 16, the answer is 1024. Next comes, we have to add the powers of y, y square and y cube. Here no power, means always we have to consider it as 1. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So answer is y raised to 3. Fourth one, a comma 2b comma 3c comma 6abc is equal to, because we have to find the product, so we have to write which sign here? Multiplication. A into 2b into 3c into 6abc. Now multiply constant to constant. Here no numerical coefficient, means always we have to think that it is 1 here. So 1 into 2, 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 6s are 36. Next, a into a square, b into b square, c into c square. One, m comma minus mn comma mnp is equal to m into minus mn into mnp. So plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Now next, m into m square into m, it is m raised to 3. Next, n into n square. Now we have to keep the p as it is. Here we have completed exercise 6.2. In next video, we'll start exercise 6.3.